Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video I'll show how to fix Facebook automatic logout problem. When open on Facebook, show the problem session expire, please log in again, problem solved. Let's see how to solution this problem. Open on phone setting, tap on apps, search Facebook app, click on Facebook, then scroll down, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, search Facebook app, uninstall Facebook app and again install Facebook, then login on Facebook. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.